So hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my new video. So in this video, we'll be learning how to square numbers within 2 seconds between the range from 80 to 120. So let's start off with an example. How fast can you calculate the square of 106? I'll give you 5 seconds. So time's up. So if you got the answer of 11236, then that's pretty impressive. Well done. But if you didn't, we're gonna see how to arrive at the answer within 2 seconds. So here is our question. 106 squared, or 106 multiplied by 106. So the first thing that you want to see is how far is this number from 100. So 106 is 6 places away from 100. So 6 places away from 100. You want to add that to your main number, that is 106. So you arrive at the first part of your answer, that is 112, because 106 plus 6 is 112. So the second part is you just square your third digit, that's 6 in this case. So 6 squared, that is 6 multiplied by itself, is 36. So you just want to add that 36 to the second part of your answer. So 36. So that's the answer, 11236. So let's take a different example this time. How about 103 squared? So 103 is 3 places away from 100. So you want to add that to 103. So you would get 106. Then you want to square this number. So 3 times 3 is 9. And you want to put this 9 over here. But we know there are going to be 2 spaces to fill. So you want to add a 0 and then a 9. So 10609 is the square of 103. So now let's take one example above 100, and that would be 112 squared. So this is a pretty little complicated than the regular one. So 112 is 12 places away from 100. So you want to add that to 112. So that's going to give you 124. So now for the second part of your answer, you want to multiply 12 by itself, or 12 squared. So 12 times 12 is 144. So you want to put the 144 with this answer. But as you see, we have only 2 spaces to fill. So the way you want to do this is you want to add 124 and 144 like this. So that gives you 12544. So that's your answer. Okay, so now we'll be looking at examples below 100. Okay. So there we go. Okay, I'm just gonna erase this. Yeah, there we go. Alright. So now versus this. Okay. So now let's take the example of 98 squared. So we can pretty much use the same method that we used to find the squares of numbers above 100. So now we want to see how much, how many places below is 98 when compared to 100. So that would give us a -2. So 2 places away from 100. So you want to subtract 2 from 98. So that is 96. So that is the first part of your answer. So next, you pretty much just want to square this number. So 2 squared is 4. But we're going to have 2 dashes, so 0, 4. So 9604 is the square of 98. So now let's take a different example. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I'm totally sorry. I'm just gonna erase this again. Okay, here we go. Okay, so now let's calculate a 94 square. So 94 is 6 places up below 100. So you want to subtract that from 94. So 94 minus 6 is going to give you 88. So that's the first part of your answer. So we're going to have 2 more spaces to cover up. So 6 square is 36 square is 36. So you just want to put that 36 down there. So 8836 is the square of 94. So that's pretty much it for how to square numbers really fast. So you can use this technique easily to find the square of numbers between 80 to 120. Thank you guys. Please subscribe and a thumbs up. Bye.